Hi guys, we're gonna draw a penguin. Ready to get started?
Yeah.
We're gonna draw a penguin. So we want to make the penguin have a head, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do his head. So make a little dome, like if you see any at school. That's fine. Keep going. That's good, Cooper. Now he needs a beak, right?
Yeah, beak is hard.
Make a line go straight out. Now make a line go diagonal that way, okay?
Oh,
You can start there, you can start there. Okay, so now he needs an eye, right?
yeah.
So make not a super big eye, but like inside the dome, okay? Right, like that, okay? Okay, so then we put a small eye inside the eye. Make it smaller. Now color that, just the small one, okay? Just the small one.
I'm already dying.
Okay, so now, right here, Cooper, we're gonna make a little belly, okay? We're gonna make a little belly. Can you do that? Stop. Okay, now we're gonna make that. Now we gotta make it like this, and if it's not long enough, just make it come a little closer. Okay, there you go. That's good. Okay, so now we're gonna go and stop right there. Stop right there, okay? So we're gonna go like this and out. Now you're gonna make another line right here. Go all the way right here. And if it's not long enough, just connect yours, okay? Now, make it come from here. We're gonna do with his feet. So make an oval that goes like this, Cooper. Make an oval, okay?
Good circle.
Okay, now we're gonna make an oval come out of here and connect with his other foot. Gotta make it from here. Now we get to color. Let's show them our finished drawings.
3, 2, 1.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did have fun?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Thanks for joining us.